everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amit Mandavia and this is the part 4 of our Laravel 11 for beginner series. If you missed earlier videos, make sure you check them out as well. We already have covered some pretty cool stuff. Today we are diving into something really exciting that is called Laravel Blade Templates. In this video, we are going to explore what is Blade is, why it is super useful in Laravel, and how to use it effectively to build dynamic and clean views. So first thing first, what is Blade? Blade is a Laravel's powerful template engine. It is simple, initiative, and provides a clean syntax and writing views. It helps you to separate your application's logic from the HTML, making your code more maintainable and easier to read. Blade lets you write PHP inside your HTML using special Blade directives. But unlike PHP, Blade files are cached and compiled for better performance. By default, Blade view have the .blade.php extension. Let's look at the example. Here I have a Blade file called welcome.blade.php, and this one is the default Blade file comes with a Laravel installation, and it's bind to a default root like a home root. So you can see the name of the Blade file here in a view, and it will call this welcome.blade.php file. When you run the root URL, you can see this output here that is designed in this Blade file. So here is how basic Blade syntax work. If you want to display data in a Blade, you should use double curly braces. Let me show you an example. So we have this default welcome Blade file, and there is some default code is coming from the Laravel for their existing functionalities, but we don't need this right now. So I'm removing those things to keep our page clean. Okay, let's check h1 tag. Welcome. Okay, let's refresh the page. Okay, so this is the basic static value that you have print here. Now we will print a dynamic value from config file for now. So we use double curly braces and config helper function app.name. So let's just check if it is printing dynamic value. Yes, welcome Laravel. So this is coming from the config directory app.php config file, and name is the key of that config that we can see here, Laravel. Now I will show you how we can pass the data from root file or controller file to the view, and how we can dynamically print it in a view. So let's check. We have a right now returning view just empty, so I'm passing here name, and like we pass John Doe. To pass variable to the view, we have two way. One is the compact function where you can pass the name of the variable, like it is the name, so I'm passing name here. And if I use here like a dollar name, it will print the value of that variable from the root file. So you can see it shows welcome John Doe. Now second method to pass variables from view is array. Like you can pass any key here and bind that variable with that key. And let's check name welcome John Doe 2. So yeah, it's passing the data. So that is very easy to handle dynamic data. It also give very easy way to handle conditions and loops. So let's check how we can print conditions here. So let's parse to data is logged in equal to 1. I'm passing this data as a compact function name and is login data. Okay, we have these two data, and now we will check conditions here, like if dollar is login equal to 1, then we will write like a welcome. Yeah, we already have that syntax. If user is not logged in, or that variable is comes as a false, then we will ask user to log in. Is to log in. So let's check. Okay, we got welcome John Doe because we have passed the variable is logged in equal to 1. If I change it to 0, and we can check it says please do log in. So it effectively check the conditions with if and else. You can also add if else multiple conditions here, like it is 0, but we will add extra conditions here. Let's copy this and let's add else if sorry, equal to 2. Then we can pass welcome admin. Okay, so it is 2 condition now. So if you refresh, because it is passing 0, it shows please do login. If we pass 1, it will show welcome John Doe, and if we pass 2, it will consider as a welcome admin John Doe. Thank you. Okay, so now we will check about the loops, that how we can use loops in Blade templates. It's very easy. For that we first need array. So let's create array of users. We can write some dummy name, John, Mark, Tommy. Okay, I think that is fine for now, and we will pass this array in the compact. We don't need other data. I'll also remove this data here, and let's use ulli. So ul. Now we will write let directive for loop that is called for each. Will pass the data like users as a dollar user, and to end this we need to write like for end for each. That is the syntax of a blade directive. Whatever we write in between these will consider as a loop item. So we'll write a li. Now in double curly brace we'll print our variable user. Okay, let's check on the output side. Okay, you can see it shows the list of all the users and data that we passed as an array. So you can see how easy and it's super clean in the blade, that we can use loops and condition very easily without starting and stopping that classic PHP tags. And that's a quick rundown of the Laravel Blade. As you can see how easy and clean Laravel Blade template engine is. You can do much more with the Laravel Blade, like creating components, directives, and error handling. But for now, I hope this get you started. In next video, we will check about how you can create new dynamic layouts for your web application and web pages. Till then, thank you so much.